Beef Jerky Outlet. Yes. Beef Jerky Outlet. And that's in the Miromar shopping center, shopping mall. And you said this is all game meat, right?
Yes, sir.
Pork and duck, venison, elk, pork and antelope, pork and pheasant. Wow. Ostrich, kangaroo, alligator. Look at this. Alligator. Yes, alligator. And kangaroo, ostrich, wild boar, buffalo, elk. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try some of these. So I'm gonna take about 5 for $10. I'm gonna take alligator. Yeah, I'm coming. Which one is better, the Cajun or the barbecue flavor?
Depends if you're looking for a sweet or a spicy flavor. I personally like it spicy, so I
Yeah,
like
Cajun. All right, so we're going with Cajun, and Yessie, and elk is good.
Elk's fantastic. I love the elk.
Elk is good.
It's probably my favorite.
And ostrich. Let me try the ostrich. And
They're actually very healthy for you too.
let me try. That's 3. Pheasant 4, and buffalo. Should I try buffalo? Maple duck. Let me try the duck. All right. So I got. I'm putting these here. I'm just gonna put these here. Okay. So this is the beef jerky store, guys, and I promise you, it's just crazy. Different stuff that they have, and the prices are there. But it's so cool. I mean, to get in a store where you can just buy your heart's content worth of jerky. I like jerky. Jerky is good. See, turkey jerky. It's awesome. Pork, it's great, but I don't really want pork that much. So, if you're in here next time, you're in this area, please try it. Oh, samples. What? The insects? They got insects? Are you kidding me? What? Crickets and larvae, and you eat any of these?
I've eaten the crickets. They're actually not that bad.
It's the crickets. Wow, crickets. Joshua, you want to try the crickets? Come on, be brave. So get the flavor that you like. Which one is the flavor, the good one?
This one is good.
So get one. Oh, I'm so sorry for you. I'm gonna put you on camera.
You're gonna eat it too.
Joshua is gonna eat the cricket.
You're gonna eat it too.
And they got more over here. And I promise you guys, if you just try some things, Try some things. They got hot sauces. They got different sausages. And they got pickles, pickled eggs. Yeah. Trust me, pickled mushroom. Gotcha. Pickled asparagus with jalapeno. Pickled horseradish. Them have apple butter. Them have different type of mayonnaise and jams and things. I tell you. Yeah. Step out of the box and get some stuff and try some new stuff, Hot popcorn and all these stuff. Yes. Yeah.
Alright, so on the way up home now, we stopped at the outlet mall, and these two peoples,
It's Joshua.
No.
they stopped in the beef jerky outlet. The jerky outlet. What is it called?
Jerky Factory.
The jerky factory. Don't ask me why you need a whole entire outlet store for beef jerky and all them kind of jerky meat there. Anyway, so these two peoples decided that they wanted to be
It's
very
him.
adventurous, and this is what they bought. Now you tell me,
is
Isn't
him.
this sick? Isn't this sick?
Joshua said he wanted to try.
What the Andrew Zimmerman is going on right here? Like seriously.
Well, I just say, we're bizarre foods ago.
Where bizarre foods are going. And on top of that, as if it wasn't bad enough that you're eating an insect, it is salt and vinegar. The
Because
most
it seemed
disgusting.
like salt and vinegar.
The
That's
most,
what you told the guy, and the guy said, "Oh, I like salt and vinegar too."
the most disgusting flavor ever. So they are compelled to try it. They already bought the tickets.
All right, so take it out and make a try.
You have to enjoy the show. Home now, we stopped at the outlet mall and these two peoples,
It's Joshua.
they stopped in the beef jerky outlet. This got 7 crickets in the bag.
7.
7 crickets in the bag.
That means Joshua forgot to eat 6.
And it has an easy opening tab up top, so I don't have to go through the drama. It's easy to just lift the tab and take them out. So yeah, so they're going to try it now.
Oh,
And I don't know who is going to be the brave first one to try it.
Joshua should be the first one to try.
Joshua, since Joshua, that's the point. It's your channel.
Wow,
But if my memory serves me right, Joshua, you were the one to draw his attention.
you're the
You
adventurous
drew my
one.
attention to it first.
there.
You're the adventurous one.
You draw it to my attention first, and you tell your dad about it. So you have to try it.
All right, give me one.
So yeah, I don't even want to touch it though. So let me swoop them up. Hold
No,
on.
I can't. You have to touch it because I can't go in the bag and when I'm driving. Wow.
Hold on. 'Cause this is- Ew.
Oh my God. It's a cricket, guys.
Oh,
You didn't give me one.
Do a
I don't
close
want
up.
it.
Do a
Don't give
close
me
up.
one. Don't give me
one
one.
Do a
at a
close-up.
time. One at a time. One at a time.
Do a close up.
How close can it go?
Cricket, cricket, lovely cricket.
I don't want him to eat it before me.
Alright, hold
Joshua
on. Let me
one.
give Joshua his so you can have a communion type fellowship.
Do you like honey?
Where is yours?
No. Give me a small one. Give me a small one.
Really? So what? Who are gonna eat the fat one then?
Please give me the smallest one.
No, Josh. You gonna eat the fat one then. You're young. You can bounce back.
There you go. Tiny.
See, you need to ease one
I'm not
too.
doing that.
We're all in this together.
I was not there when it was being purchased.
We are in this together. Joshua, you ready?
Alright, so after.
Wait, I'm taking off the head.
No, don't take off nothing.
On the head for what? Okay, so I'm on count and you all gonna eat. After the count of 2. Joshua, what do I do?
We're gonna do this, Josh. Come on.
After 2. 1, 2. Eat. What's in your mouth? Why you bite these?
Did I do that?
Joshua says he likes it.
It's nice.
Your face don't look like it's nice. Joshua said it tastes like
Yeah,
peanuts.
sunflower seeds.
Yeah,
For real?
it tastes good. It tastes good, man. It tastes like salted cardboard.
So it really not no flavor.
It tastes like lime and
But let me
salt
tell you,
and vinegar.
let me see what the benefits, if there's any.
It have protein and riboflavin.
Oh yeah, 1% protein, really?
It not taste bad. I thought it would have been like worse.
Tastes like sunflower seeds.
Yeah, the guy actually seemed like it, but yeah, it just says to me it have the taste of the salt and vinegar, and then it have a little cardboardy taste. You definitely know say I eat something that is not regular.
Not edible.
I think you should try it. See,
I'm not doing that.
you should try it.
I'm not doing that.
Candy, you
not
should
doing
try
that.
it. We are family.
I'm not doing it.
We are the discovering hopes.
Do it.
We are do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Come
I'm
on,
not doing it.
come on,
No.
guys! Don't you should have tried?
Eat it.
I'll have the alligator beef jerky thingy.
No,
Really?
eat it now.
No, that's not right. Eat it. It's not,
Come on.
eat it. Tastes good. It tastes very good. It's salt and nice.
I'm sure you're gonna lose some subscribers after this.
No, they're gonna love that.
Make sure you guys
This one
comment.
is good and fat. Just takes a
You
bite.
guys, please
Joshua,
comment.
does it taste good? I just had the second one.
Comment and let him know if you think it's brave, if you think it's gross.
May I save some for
We
Akino?
really want to know what you guys think. Alright?
Josh,
So,
Joshua, save the rest for Kino.
okay.
Yeah? I'll make them say Kino try to eat it. Yes,
Tastes
see, put
good.
up the rest. It tastes real good. Okay, what else we're gonna try?
The alligator.
Kangaroo.
We're gonna try the kangaroo.
Let me see the stuff that you bought. These
The
people
kangaroo
bought.
beef jerky.
Yeah.
These people bought alligator and kangaroo and all kind of stuff.
Woo!
Mommy, taste it. It tastes so good.
It tastes so good, I promise you, man.
It tastes good. It tastes
What
like
is this?
sunflower.
Oh, this is honey peppered bacon flavored. This is not bad.
No, taste.
No, I bought a bunch of regular
Buy the
ones.
kangaroo.
You go focus.
I mean, open the kangaroo.
Because you're moving up and down, you gotta put it.
I'm going or
Yeah, the car.
is moving?
That's
Yeah.
not the one that we're gonna try though.
No, they're showing them the different ones that we have.
How?
And they have garlic. Wow. And
That's a
they
beef jerky
have-
outlet, yeah.
And they have peppered pork and elk. What is elk?
Elk is like a reindeer, like a deer.
Okay. And they have
What is that? Alligator.
pork and alligator meat. And finally,
Kangaroo.
something that I did not even know was edible. Pork and kangaroo. Shaking my
You're
head.
gonna stop and start again.
Right, so now that they have accomplished that challenge to eat a cricket, we're gonna move on to something that seems a little bit more sensible,
Nice.
which is the alligator and pork jerky. And yes,
Alligator pork, alligator pork, alligator, alligator, alligator pork, alligator pork. Hey, hey.
this is mine.
Joshua. you
So
got
we're
yours?
going to go in for
I didn't eat it.
the kill after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tastes good. You don't like it, Josh? It has pepper. Tastes like saltfish. Like red herring. Tastes like red herring.
But don't all the jerkies taste like red herring?
No.
That's disgusting.
Joshua don't like red herring.
Yeah, Joshua wouldn't like it because he doesn't like red herring, but we like red
It
herring.
tastes good. Me coulda, you know, me tell you what this would have nice, you know? Some ackee and saltfish. No, not ackee and saltfish, but ackee. If you cut it up and cook it up with some ackee, it would taste real good. Alligator. Yeah? Trust me, I like it. I like it. Me like it a lot. Yes.
So Joshua, what you say? Thumbs up or down?
It's disgusting.
Joshua, you're a win.
It's a thumbs up for me. So, Josh, thumbs down. Yes, guys. So the next on the chopping block is the pork and kangaroo, and everybody have their piece already.
Pork and kangaroo. Yes, sir.
So we are going to eat it. How it smell?
It smells smoky.
I think all the jerkies are smoked.
It smells very uppity. Yeah, I get it. Kangaroo uppity. It's good.
You ate it?
It's good.
Tastes like ham.
Tastes like ham.
Tastes like ham.
It's very delicious. That's
Here you go.
that what name? Kangaroo. The kangaroo was awesome.
So the next one we're gonna do is the pork and elk.
Elky burger.
I still don't know what elk is, but
Elk is a reindeer. Google it.
oh, elk is around there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You remember that we got a place named Elk Club?
Elk? When?
Elk Club.
No, I don't remember. But anywho, we are going to try the elk and pork now. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. So, what is it? Reindeer?
Yes.
Okay.
Smell beefy.
Smell good. I feel like all of them smell the same though.
No, the alligator one never the alligator one smell like red herring.
So what do it smell like?
Like jerky.
Alright, so
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes good.
you more have a
Tastes the same.
chickeny vibe for you, like how you jerky chicken would taste.
It's salty. It tastes like the crocodile.
Not as much of a smoky flavor like the ones, the previous ones.
But definitely tastes good.
But bottom line is, why
He's
would
eating more.
somebody just snack on this though? I don't think I would buy it.
Me I say, we're supposed to let you up on the in the Everglades if you not try the cricket.
Oh, guess what? Guess what would be good? What would be good?
What?
What if you wrap the cricket in like make a sandwich with this?
Why don't you do that?
You just trying to do that to not eat the cricket.
Why don't you just eat it?
Yes, just eat it.
Just do it.
Like when Nike said,
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
don't let your dreams be dreams. Tell her, Josh.
Today is not tomorrow or something like that.
Today's not what?
That's what he says, but I forgot.
Who says that?
The guy.
You mean yesterday?
Yesterday. What was yesterday?
What guy?
Like, it's a video.
Oh. It was good though.
We want the rest of this.
You're not supposed to end, you're not supposed to finish it with your craven self.
Downs.
Let's try the next one.
Downs.
Down, down, down.
Alvin needs some too.
Yeah, right.
Really?
Say hello to Alvin.
Waiting for you.
Can you believe this big old 14-year-old boy have up and trip?
Who want to mail this to them? 1, 2, 3. If you want this to be mailed to you,
Okay, let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Leave
If I win,
a
then you have to
comment.
eat it, okay?
leave a comment if you want this to be mailed to you. I will gladly send it to you.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
You know what? I'm gonna order some crickets on Amazon,
If I win,
and I'm gonna try to do that challenge at church with the kids.
No, I don't get the people the kids.
if
no,
I
no
win,
cricket.
then you have to eat it. Let's go.
This has to be had with parental supervision.
No.
You're scared. Let's go.
I'm not eating.
If I win, then you have
You
to
have on
eat
your
it.
seatbelt, son?
Yeah.
Because
If I win, then you have to eat it. Come
can
on.
I just eat one foot?
What? That's
Really?
worse. That's worse.
That don't make no sense.
Just eat the whole. Just eat the back, not the head.
Do it, 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 do it.
I'll give you $1. I'll give you $3.
You have to come better than that. Which dollar?
We
If
are
you beat me,
49
rock,
minutes
paper,
away from
scissors.
home, guys. Every minute, you know much turtle, you know much dead turtle me pass on this highway, in the 279 miles of my drive.
Things on the road.
Tires, Josh, tires, truck tires.
Eat it.
I mean, these people keep hitting these big turtles with their car. Uh-oh. She is going for the cricket. Tan, 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 tan. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go eat it. Oh, eat it. Oh, eat it. You eat it.
What's that coffee there in the back? What's this big old?
Yeah, this big old 14-year-old picnic up and I go on the road and I bring teddy bear. You can't believe it?
It's a real person.
Which one did I like the most? Kangaroo or alligator?
Alligator would be. See, you're supposed to eat the cricket by itself.
She's ignoring it. Eat it.
Don't try to minimize the cricket.
He's looking at you with your guilty face.
Stop trying to minimize the cricket. See, come on.
You rather me not eat it or you rather me eat it with
No, but you're not gonna taste it though.
Slap.
You said there's nothing to taste. It's like cardboard.
Slap.
That's no. I don't agree with that.
I cannot eat this thing.
See, just put it in your mouth, man.
Just eat the back. Just the back. Just the back.
See, once you put it in your mouth, once it go in your mouth, you're not gonna worry about it.
If me eat this, might as well go up on Fear Factor.
Candy, just cool now,
It's
man.
not even bad.
It's just to get over the hump, I promise you. It's because of our culture. It's just to get over the hump.
And the difference is,
That's why.
on Fear Factor get
Listen,
money.
that's
We
why
just ate it.
I'm pay you.
Where the money at?
when Facebook when YouTube contribute.
Why?
Go ahead, see.
Okay, if you guess a number between 1 and 20, and then if you guess it right, then you have to. If you guess it right, then you have to eat it.
Come on, girl.
Okay,
Wait, you're running the video, man.
Yes, I know the number.
You're running the video.
Yes. You have to guess the number.
Just put it. No, see, no.
No.
Alright, I'm not even looking.
Yes. What are you doing? You faker.
That's what's salty.
Come on, put it in. Oh my God.
Not the whole thing.
Yes, just pop it, see.
Let go of it. And chew.
See what I'm have to deal with?
He's not chewing.
You put name out?
She's not chewing.
See? It just tastes like salt and
She's
vinegar.
not chewing.
Come on, chew it up.
She's starting to chew.
Just stop messing around.
Are you even chewing? She's not chewing. What human chews like that? Tastes bad? Did you chew it?
I'm not certain. Oh, a car went off the road.
Where?
Just in front of us right here.
Why would they do that?
What do you mean? Like an accident?
This tastes like baby shrimp.
I told you. It's just salt and vinegar. See, take the phone and show. So, we're driving on the I-75. Guys, heading back to Miami.
Oh my God.
And
Sorry.
just turn it around. And we have an accident on the road here. A car flipped over. Wow. Car flip over. Wow. Two little old man. Wow.
You're okay?
Were they from the car?
Yeah, it seemed like they were in the car.
To be honest with y'all, the cricket don't taste bad, but it's just the thought of putting
That's what I'm
a
saying.
nasty insect in your mouth that grosses me.
Who said it cricket nasty?
I don't care.
The
Who
cricket
eats
might
nasty?
cleaner than enough of them chicken the way I sell a store. You stay there.
Rightfully so, but why though?
Can you imagine all of that little pus something in the cricket belly? We just chew up.
So did they dehydrate it because it tastes very crunchy? It's not.
Yeah, because one
Soft
this
enough.
is a lot of shell, and then you have the little
There was no liquidity.
abdomen, the thorax, you know, or the back part with the pus.
I think them with them there.
Sauce.
Them bake it or something.
Next one we're gonna try is cheddar cheese
Scorpion.
and jalapeno.
No, you.
He wanted me to do the scorpion
Lollipop.
lollipop. I'm like, you sick.
And there were worms too. Oh.
And the worms. Next time we do the worms, Josh. Where you say me drunk?
But even changing the name to Zimmerman.
Bizarre foods, Yardie belly style. Alright, so we're on the way back into hear me?
You know this earlier today, me keep saying Jamaica.
We're on the way, because we used to do a lot of driving in Jamaica. We used to go country all the while. And thing.
That's not the issue. We miss Jamaica. That's all.
Yeah, we miss Jamaica. But we're on the way back into Miami. And thing. And we just passed the accident. Two little old man and them car flip over. But to just remind you, say you have to really and truly take it easy on the road. You know, and be careful. You know, you can't drop asleep or any little thing. You see me ting. So we're 42 minutes away from home. So we just have to take it easy and roll in, you understand? It was a nice little weekend. And we have some footage, a little footage. You have the belly in a what?
Sorry.
In a ferry. Stick and stay, you see me? And keep on doing what you're doing. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And check out the description box. And we have a little affiliate link where you can, you know, link up and purchase something that we can support with vlogging. Yeah.
And remember, please tell us, would you eat cricket for love or money?
If you would have eat the cricket, comment and let me know.
What would somebody have to give you or promise
Or the
you
alligator
to make you eat? The alligator,
Disgusting.
I mean, the other stuff tastes like regular.
The alligator never discussing, Joshua. Come on.
Yes, I was.
But yeah.
What's the weirdest thing you would eat?
Me.
What's the
No, I'm
weirdest
talking
thing
to
I've
my-
ever eaten?
Oh,
My
I was about to
folks.
say.
Yeah.
I would not eat a roach.
Anyway, Joshua, sign out for it.
What's it called? Yardie Belly TV. Ow. Peace.
Isn't he wrong for that? He's about to say Josh the Real. That's his channel, guys. Josh the Real. So
Joshua, you must do the squat.
I don't do that anymore.
you upgrade.
I do.
Turn around and show them this
I
and
do.
the picture.
Just to reel out.
The cloud and everything. It was nice.
Down.
Such a nice day. And the Everglades, show them the Everglades over the side. Yes, that's the Everglades, guys. The Everglades. And we're on I-75, and all of what you see there is the Everglades.
Known for snakes and alligators and all that
Wild
stuff.
boars and panther and all of them something.
Bobcats.
Alright, bless up.
Charlotte Bobcat.
Yeah. Later.